Now let's go back. Is that understood? Now let's go back to his little analogy, which I questioned him. If we can sponsor puja and get well, or get our wishes come true, or purify some negative karma, why can't we sponsor someone in retreat and gain their siddhis? One of you answered that pretty closely. It wasn't bad. I was impressed. Let me explain. Because the siddhis arise within his mind stream. But you can get everything around that, but not that. But the next time you do it, you'll get it quicker than another person who didn't do it. So, when you sponsor Albert in a 3-year, 3-month, 3-day, 10 billion mantra Tara retreat, let's say you do that, he's doing the 7 limbs every single day, 4 times a day. The Tara sadhana includes all 7 limbs, but more extended form, even better. The normal pujas we do, the 7 limbs are shorter. In the Tara one, it's much longer and even better. Even in Yamataka or Vajragini. So he's doing the 7 limbs 4 times a day, because when you're in a retreat, you do 4 sessions a day. You do the session 4 times a day. You think, oh my God, how can I handle it? You will love it. You know why you will love it? Because you will see the results. It's like a person who enjoys their work so much because they're getting $100,000 a day. I enjoy my work too. At the end of the week, I own this hotel. Then I sell that and build KFR. Now, he will gain the siddhis, and I'm the one that enabled him to gain the siddhis. Do you know what I mean by I enabled him? I'm paying for his house, his tormas, his offerings, his bills, so he doesn't have to work, so he can gain those siddhis. And when he gains those siddhis, he will never have to work and do all those things again, because whatever needs to come, because the obstructing karma for it not to come is gone. All right? So in that way, I will gain Dharma wealth in the future. What's Dharma wealth? If someone gives me $500 a month to do my retreats, I'll be just as happy if they gave me $5 billion. To me, as long as I can do my practice, I'm happy. So you eliminate attachment to materialism. So 500 billion or $500, it makes no difference to you, because you don't have the karma to experience a difference. You don't have the karma to experience the difference. What is the difference? One is ignorance, thinking 500 billion makes you happy. $500 is not enough. When the ultimate aim is to have enough to do retreats without being disturbed. In fact, having the 500 billion will disturb your retreat, because you want to go and spend it. Make sense? Number 1. Number 2, in the future, if I want to look for a location will arise for me easily. If I want to find a sponsor will arise for me. If I want to receive the teachings of Tara to do a retreat, a teacher will arise for me easily, because I created the causes for him to achieve that. So everything I need to become one with Tara, everything I need to become highly realized, will come easier for me by sponsoring him. Then why do we sponsor him and not do it ourselves? Because we may not be in a position, family, money, finances, health, to do it. I mean, if I'm 100 years old and I'm sick as a dog about cancer, I can't do it, can I? And I'm on 4th stage cancer. So I'm praying in a future life I can do it. I sponsor him. I sponsor him to do Tara, that in my future life I come back, I can do Tara. There are many reasons why we can't do it. The best is we do it and sponsor him. That's why we sponsor monks and nuns. Because we're sponsoring them to hold their vows. Because if we don't sponsor them to hold their vows, they have to break their vows and go work. If they go work, no one will learn the Dharma and hold the Dharma anymore. That's why we sponsor monks and nuns. That's why we are generous with our gurus. Why do we make offerings to our gurus and give things to our guru and make it easy for our guru? So they can do their work to elucidate the Dharma for us. So today's meal, today's Dharma talk is sponsored by my sponsor. Somebody sponsored me to be here to offer this to you, to give you the Dharma. So whatever you're learning, that person is not learning, but they will create the karma. They will learn that very fast in the future, or will learn it. Hence, we don't take from our guru. When we take from our guru, we take from some. If he doesn't have it, he can't do this for someone else because we took it away. So we create the demerit of not receiving it because we took it away. Then I cannot get attainments because the attainments must arise in my mind. But I definitely can create the causes for me to get the attainments quicker and faster because I've removed the causes for it to be slowed down by sponsoring his retreat.